Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add a sticker to your videos on CapCut. So, if you want to make your videos pop with stickers, in this tutorial, I'll show you the step-by-step how you can add stickers to your videos and also animate the stickers. So, you can just open the CapCut application. You can tap on new project and find the videos that you want to edit. Let's try to find. Okay, I'm going to just use this one. You can just click on the video that you want to add, and then at the bottom just click on add. So the video will be open. And this is the video, and if you want to add stickers, you can easily swipe through the toolbar at the bottom and you'll find stickers. So under the stickers menu in here, you'll find there are lots of stickers options that you can select it for your videos. You can just choose which one that you think fits your videos the best. For example, in here, I'm going to just add the trending one. Okay, let's add this snow sticker. You can click on the stickers that you want to use, and then you can adjust its size and also its position. Example like this, I'm going to make it bigger. You can click on a check icon and see how it looks like on your videos. And if you want to add more than one, you can tap on the stickers option again and find another stickers you want to add. Here you can also create stickers on your own. You can see you can create using a prompt. You can see in here, you can also find it on the CapCut showcase. So just choose which one that you want to, or you can also here write a prompt on your own. For example, snowflakes. Let's try that. Click on generate and just wait until the CapCut creating the stickers. Okay, so this is the stickers created by CapCut. You can just click on the stickers you want to use and tap on add at the bottom, and it will be added to your videos. If you want to animate it, you can just tap on animation and choose if you want to make animation in, out, or loop. Let's try the loop one in here. You can adjust the duration to how you like it, and you can also adjust the duration. So that's pretty much it. That's how you can add stickers on top of videos on CapCut. You can follow this tutorial and add creativity to your videos. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks button for more CapCut tutorials. Bye.